Hello. I'm going to discuss very briefly about the potential revenue calculator that HODS provided you with. It's a quick tutorial on how to use it. So thank you so much for coming to this website. So a couple of things. So when you click access the free calculator, what you have to do is you have to enter basically your information. That is the very first thing that needs to be done. So after you put this information, you're going to go to a different screen. Once you get to this point, then you simply will follow the prompts of the calculator. So the first thing is to enter the number of new patients per week in your physical therapy practice. So this is average. Do you have one practice, 5 practices, 10 practices? It doesn't matter. Just enter the average number of new patients that come every week. Let's say you have a practice where you have 20 new patients per week. Immediately, the calculator will show you that the number of new patients per year is 1,040. Now, the next step is very important. You need to enter the percentage of the patients, of those new patients, that you estimate that they have one or more of the following conditions. Do they have a radiculopathy? Do they have radiating pain in the upper or lower extremity, numbness, tingling, burning sensation, any paresthesia, muscle weakness, or any diagnosis such as carpal tunnel, tarsal tunnel, cubital tunnel, radiculopathy, polyneuropathy, diabetes, hypothyroidism, and so on and so forth. So we're asking you to enter that percentage? Any of these conditions or symptoms or diagnoses are medical qualifiers for EMG testing, Neuro-Ultrasound, and SSEP testing. Let's say that you have 35% of those patients with some of these conditions. Some practices have 50%, 60%. It doesn't matter. I'm going to just use a low number here, 35%. Although most patients who come to a PT clinic will have something like this. So this will show you how many candidates for EMG testing per year you're going to have, the potential revenue that you will recoup from performing EMG testing. It will show you also the number of candidates for Neuro-Ultrasound and the potential revenue that you can have from Neuro-Ultrasound, as well as the number of candidates for SSEP testing and the potential revenue from SSEP testing. And then we go to this point to enter the percentage of patients with a shoulder, rotator cuff situation, a tendonitis, bursitis, elbow, wrist, hip, knee, or ankle or foot tendinosis, tears, bursitis, and so on and so forth. Why? This will allow us to determine the number of joint MSK ultrasound cases that you potentially can have. So let's say in this case, we're going to use, let's say 60% of your patients can have one or more of these conditions. So this will show you now the annual potential revenue from diagnostic testing and the monthly potential revenue from diagnostic testing based on the numbers that you put. But some of you, or most of you, want to know also what is the impact that diagnostic testing will make in the value of your practice. If you decided to sell your practice, what is the impact that having diagnostics will create for your physical therapy practice, how it will affect your EBITDA. So here is what we do here. You enter your estimate total revenue only from your physical therapy practice. What was the revenue you had last year? Did you have, I don't know, $1 million, $5 million, $500,000. What was that estimated annual revenue? Let's say that you had as annual revenue $1 million. Okay, I'm going to use that now. So you had $1 million, and what was your estimated annual expenses from your physical therapy operation? Okay, most physical therapy practices, unfortunately, run at the profit margin of 10%, 12%, 8% or less. So I'm going to put here that the annual estimated expenses were $900,000. I'm going to use that as a potential number. So it shows you here that your net revenue, like your profit, was $100,000 and your profit margin was 10%. And now this is a very crucial question. If you sold your practice, what would be the estimated multiple you would receive? What do you expect that a company that will buy you out, what multiple they're going to pay you? Are they going to pay you a small multiple of 3, let's say, or so, because you have a single practice, or you have a couple of practices, you'll get a multiple of 5, a multiple of 7, or more? What multiple you're going to get? I'm going to use here, just for those purposes, for sample purposes, a multiple of 5. Once you put 5, it shows you here immediately the estimated enterprise value of your practice for a future sale. This is if you sold just your physical therapy practice as an estimated enterprise value. But now let's look at what is the impact of diagnostics would have in the enterprise value of your PT practice. This is the impact. Simply because the profit margin by which you operate the physical therapy practice is the diagnostic testing practice is 50% or more. So based on the calculator, the enterprise value without diagnostics would have been $500,000. Your enterprise value with diagnostics would have been almost 3 times that amount. So very interesting, and please do that for your practice. Use the calculator for your numbers. Share your calculator for friends and colleagues, and you can always click here and schedule a call to find out more about how this can help your own physical therapy practice and enterprise. Thank you very much. Good luck to everyone.